Here, as you can see, we have a pretty fun game. We have an automatic lamp that goes on and off when it's dark or when it's bright outside. And we have a conveyor belt here. We have some trampolines over here. And also we have an ice rink over here for people to go skating. I'm now going to publish this game to Roblox for the millions of people to play. So I'm going to go to game settings. For the name of the game, I'm going to change it to the PrizeCP Fun House. And the description, I'm just going to say a fun place to hang out. Click on save. Oh, one more thing. Let's go to permission just to make sure it's public. So permission right now is private. I'm going to make it public for everyone to be able to play. Because you do get Robux when people play your game. So guys, you can show your support by coming to play the game. It's a fun place to be. And I'm gonna click on save to save all these. And I'm gonna go to file and publish to Roblox just to make sure everything is sent to Roblox. So there you have it, guys. Hope you have enjoyed our full course tutorial on scripting in Roblox and find it to be helpful. Just a final reminder, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell for future contents. And feel free to share this tutorial with your friends. Sharing means caring. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time. Take care, everyone. Peace.